Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your home office with Ring beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by choosing the right location for your Ring devices. Identify areas in your home office that are most vulnerable to intrusions. Consider placing a Ring video doorbell at the main entrance to monitor visitors. Next, install Ring security cameras inside your office to capture any activity. Make sure to select cameras that fit the space, such as indoor cameras with high-definition video. Connect your Ring devices to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Check the strength of your Wi-Fi signal in your office to ensure optimal connectivity. Download and open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account if you don't have one already. Once your account is set up, click on the Set up a device option in the app. Choose the specific Ring device you are installing from the list. For the Ring video doorbell, scan the QR code located on the device to connect it. Position the doorbell at eye level for the best monitoring perspective. For security cameras, mount them in locations that provide a clear view of the room. Ensure each camera is at a height that reduces blind spots. Check the camera lenses for any obstructions. Once installed, test each device to confirm they are functioning correctly. Customize the motion detection settings in the app to fit your needs. Set notifications so that you receive alerts directly to your phone. Consider linking your Ring devices to a smart home system for added convenience. Review and adjust video recording settings for optimal performance. Regularly check the battery levels if you are using battery-operated devices. Make it a practice to periodically review video footage for any unusual activity. Keep your Ring app updated to benefit from the latest features and improvements. Finally, create a routine of checking your Ring devices to ensure they are secure. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your home office with Ring devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.